Hello, friends. Most schools make learning English boring, memorizing grammar rules, long lists of vocabulary, and reading texts you'll never use in real life. But here's the truth. That's why most people understand English but can't speak it. In this video, I'll show you a better way to learn English, the way that actually works in real life. The first step is to think in English, not translate from your language. Instead of thinking, how do I say this in English? Just train your brain to form thoughts directly in English. This is how fluent speakers think, naturally. Step 2. Speak English every day. Even if it's just 5 minutes, talk to yourself, a friend, or even a mirror. Most students fear making mistakes, but mistakes are part of learning. Remember, fluency comes from practice, not textbooks. Step 3. Learn English you will actually use. Lie. Don't waste time memorizing complicated grammar you'll never need. Focus on phrases, sentences, and words for daily life, conversations, and work. For example, can you help me? I don't understand. How much is this? These small phrases matter more than perfect grammar. Step 4. Listen to English and imitate. Watch YouTube videos, movies, or podcasts repeat what you hear. Copy the accent, rhythm, and pronunciation. This is how kids learn their first language, naturally. Don't worry about mistakes. Focus on getting your brain used to English sounds. Finally, consistency is everything. Learning English isn't a one-day process. You need daily practice. Even 10-15 minutes every day is better than 3 hours once a week. Small daily actions lead to real results. Trust me. So stop learning English the boring way your school taught you. Think in English, speak every day, use practical phrases, listen and imitate, and be consistent. Follow these 5 steps, and your English will improve faster than you ever imagined. If you found this helpful, like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more real English tips. Don't just study English live it, speak it, think it, own it. Thank you, everyone.